Hey up, today's video is on kind of part 2 to that refining of silver. It got the better of me what this little piece of chunk is. The sulfuric acid would not dissolve it. I tried it multiple times. So I'm going to throw this into some nitric, and along with the 2 filters from the sulfuric that I did, it has little bits of stuff in it. So I'll see what I get out of it. Probably only 1/4 of a gram or 1/2 a gram. But I'm interested to see if it'll dissolve in nitric. Anyway, on with the video. Okay, so that's what I'm working with. That little, whatever that is, it's hard. And then all these papers. So I'm going to put them in there, put some distilled water and some nitric acid. So add some distilled water. I think that's going to cover it. Probably should have done this differently. Oh well. Turn the heat on a little bit. Add nitric acid. Just put a little bit. Oh, that's way too much. Just put a few drops. Of nitric. I can see it start to react right away. Hard to tell if it's actually reacting. I might add some more nitric. Okay, so it's been on for an hour. It's bubbling away, but I think that's just the water boiling. Okay, so I've got my flask with a Buckner funnel. I've got paper tissue in there that I've wet already. So I'm going to pour that in there to filter it out and see what liquid we get. Okay, so that's drained off enough. I'm going to pour the liquid out into a beaker and then add some hydrochloric acid.
I had a camera malfunction and the video didn't save of me adding hydrochloric acid to the silver in solution. The purple color is the silver chloride reacting with the UV light. The silver chloride mixture is rinsed to remove any copper that might be attached to it from the refining.
Okay, so that's all the silver chloride. So I'm going to pour some of this into that beaker. And put some ammonia in. So, some ammonia.
If there's any copper in solution, the liquid will turn blue when adding ammonia.
So it looks pretty clear to me.
I had another camera malfunction. At this point I added the lye and blended it with an electric ninja, and then it turns black.
Okay, so I added the sugar in here and stirred it. It got up to 140 degrees really quickly, and now it's dropping down to 120. So I'm going to call this reaction over. Okay, so I got some pH test strip. This should be really alkali now. So when I put it in there, yeah, it's all the way up to 11, 12. So I've got to rinse it out until I get a neutral pH. Okay, so I've rinsed that a few times. We'll do a test strip here. Okay, it's barely green. So I think I'm at 7, maybe just below 7. If not full on 7. So I'm going to do one more rinse and cool that good, and then pour it out into a pan and dry it. So I've got okay, so I'm going to leave this in the sun and let it dry out, and we'll give it a weigh up. Anyway, it shows just how much the sulfuric acid missed. And okay, so this is the filter, and I'm going to take a look, and I don't see any, really there's no remains in here. Well, that kind of solves it for me. Sulfuric acid is not very good at dissolving silver, very inefficient, kind of a little bit of pucker factor when you're cleaning out the beaker and you use distilled water and it lands in the acid and it splatters. Just not nice. Nitric doesn't have that problem. Still not safe to handle, but it's safer to me. You don't have to boil it, and that's just scary. Anyway, I'm gonna do another video later on the 9 ounces I've got of offcuts, powder, filings. That'll be a future video, and I may make some bars out of it, and give one of those bars away as a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, because that's coming up maybe in about a year and a half. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a great day.